Imagine this. You're buckled into a spacecraft, engines humming as we leave the comfort of our home planets behind. Earth, Mars, Jupiter. They all fade into memory as we push past the orbit of Pluto, heading into the deep freeze of the Kuiper Belt. Out here, the sun is just another bright star, and the darkness feels endless. The Kuiper Belt is alive in its own way. Dwarf planets, icy rocks, and relics from the solar system's earliest days. If you could look out the window, you might spot Pluto, Eris, or Haumea. Each world icy, mysterious, and barely touched by sunlight. But we're not stopping. The engines roar, and we accelerate toward the true edge of the sun's reach, the heliosphere. Think of it as a giant, invisible bubble, blown by the solar wind. A stream of charged particles racing outward from our star. For nearly 120 astronomical units, the solar wind pushes against the darkness, creating a boundary between our solar system and the rest of the galaxy. As we cross this threshold, the solar wind sputters and dies, colliding with the interstellar medium, the thin soup of gas and dust between stars. This is the frontier Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 reached, after decades of silent travel. They're the only human-made objects to ever cross into true interstellar space. Out here, sunlight is barely a whisper. Cosmic rays zap the hull. The stars seem sharper, colder, and infinitely more distant. But there's one more destination, the legendary Oort cloud. Imagine a vast, ghostly sphere, stretching almost a quarter of the way to the nearest star. It's made of icy bodies, comets frozen since the solar system's birth, scattered up to 100,000 astronomical units from the sun. We've never seen the Oort cloud directly, but scientists believe it's the birthplace of long-period comets, those cosmic visitors that blaze into our skies every few thousand years. Somewhere in this cosmic shell, untouched secrets from the dawn of time drift in silence, waiting for a curious mind or a daring spacecraft to discover them. So, as we float at the edge of everything we know, I can't help but wonder, what mysteries do you think lie beyond the edge of our solar system?